McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you what 4 Polmaise Place in Hidden Valley has to offer. Let's head on in and check out this superbly appointed property. The functional floor plan of this near new home is only surpassed by the appointment. With extra large windows, full air conditioning throughout, I love the choices of colours on the kitchen. The bathrooms are so perfectly appointed with floor to ceiling tiles, and I love the low maintenance polished concrete throughout. To top it all off, you've got a huge powered shed with double side access, sprawling on a 724 metre square allotment. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise here in Yeppoon, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.